I don't really want to increase my customer base because then I wouldn't be able to just stay in one place.
Right, well, don't underestimate the power of the middleman.
That's true. A middleman is a necessary evil.
Coach told me the idea, but don't you think it gets just a little suspicious in the hospital with all of those visitors?
I mean, I guess so, maybe. I don't know, I gotta go drop a large intestine, so I'll be back.
Yo, y'all gonna be good if I bounce?
Yeah, man. I can handle Steve.
I mean, with the chainsaw?
Yeah, man. Once we once we got the 151 going, I figured that the cutting was done for the night.
Alright, peace, bro. And, yo, keep Steve away from the chainsaw.
Yeah, man. I got this.
Alright, man. Catch you later, bro. Peace.